Hey, what's up, guys? I just got my new dehumidifier in the mail, so figured I would do a quick unboxing for you to show you how things show up so you know what to expect when it gets there. All right, on top, just your call it a quick start guide, instruction manual, or whatever. And then under that, but on top of the actual dehumidifier, nice foam pad. And then the dehumidifier itself. Oh, and then we have some other stuff down here. So this is the actual user manual, and I don't know, I think these are like the drain plugs that comes in this Ziploc baggie here too. All right, so the dehumidifier sits in this plastic bag, keep it protected from getting all scratched up. It does come with, I don't know, it's rolled up. I'm going to guess maybe 4 feet or so, 3 or 4 feet of vinyl tubing. And then I just hold it up so you can see around it. Really nice and compact, small dehumidifier. And here's your tank. That's actually a lot more than I thought. When I started pulling out of there, I thought maybe it was just this end, but it holds a lot more water than I expected. So anyway, just wanted to do that quick unboxing for you and show you what you were getting.